Girl, get in position. Girl, get in position.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lacey Dawson, and today I will be sharing my little cooking experience. Today I'm cooking Sunday dinner, guys, so I'll be sharing that with you guys, right? I'm giving you a look in my Sunday kitchen, right? So today I'm cooking brown stew fish and jollof rice. Yes, I said it, jollof rice, brown stew fish and jollof rice. So okay, let's get into it. So for the jollof rice, what you will need, your rice. You can use any rice you like, basmati, it's up to you, brown rice, whatever rice you want. Tomato sauce is a must. Maggi, this you have to have Maggi to give it that good flavor. I think this is what makes it taste so good, really, the Maggi. And sweet pepper, right? I'm using one because I'm not gonna be cooking a big pot. It's just a small pot because it's just me and hubby, so one is okay. And a tomato. You're gonna want to need hot pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, hot pepper, onion, red one, not white, has to be red. It's the difference. And tomato puree as well. Good. So I'm gonna start off by blending all the things that I need. I'm gonna put the tomato puree and everything aside. So these are what I'm gonna blend together now. So make sure you wash your seasoning, guys. This is my fish. I have my fish here already with some lime. You know, can't have any raw fish. You gotta get the rawness out, so with a little lime. So I'm gonna wash these. And you're gonna tip a little bit of water on it just for it to blend properly. Just a little water. It doesn't need to be grinded smooth. It has to be like this consistency is good, where you still can feel a little bit of the seasoning that we've blended together. Now I'm gonna pour it out here, and we're gonna put this aside for later. Get a cover. Now I'm gonna blend the tomato sauce. Smells nice. Okay. Because this one you need it to be purified, well, a bit liquefied than this one. This one is not liquefied. fish seasoned, ready. Let it marinate a bit, you know, let the seasoning soak in it and stuff. Like half an hour from now, ready. Fish ready. This is my special oil that I infuse. Really good. You smell the aroma of it. Nice. Rosemary, thyme, garlic. Good. Gives the food great flavor. So now we're gonna start with the jollof rice, right? We have our oil. I have a bit of red onions that I chopped up, diced up small, and I'm gonna fry that in the oil now. Frying. Tomato sauce that we blended as well. And this is where we're gonna put our Maggi. Now we're gonna add our Maggi and our seasoning. This is the part where you put the seasonings that you want in it to give it flavor. So I'll be using two Maggis, 2 rocks. Add salt. Not a lot. So you see the sauce is rich. This is what gives the rice that rich flavor, that color. So we're gonna leave it and let it cook for like 10 minutes. The sauce and everything is well cooked. It's ready. Now we're gonna add our rice, washed already. It has that beautiful, rich red color. Nice. Great. So now you want to add a bit of water to it. Stir it real good. Now you're gonna taste it to see if it has the taste. You can add more flavor if you want. For me, it's great. It's good. The flavor is good. And that's it. You just leave it to simmer and cook. Cook it on a low heat, not too high, because if not, it's gonna burn out, and then you're gonna have to add more water. So leave it on a low heat to steam. The rice can cook properly, and then we'll come back within 20 minutes to check it again, and I'll show you guys.
police. Kitchen police.
Yeah. My seasoning for my fish. Up. Turn up. Kitchen, turn up. Rice, I won. Jollof rice, I won. Fish time out.